If you feel adventurous, travel to the swamp and meet the mighty T-Rex. Help it find its lost eggs or recover them from the giant plants. Return them to the nest in a fun rolling minigame. Hey there! Welcome to Paw Patrol. Hi there! It's a brand new day in Adventure Bay. Look, here's Chase. I'm glad you're here, Chase. I've lost my pup pad somewhere around the lookout. Can you help me? Nice! Perfect! Now drive to the pup pad. You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. It's a gift box! Whoa, that looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! Incredible! Oops, the birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! Keep going, pup! You did it! Nice bench! Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice! Tap on the broken bench to fix it with the piece you carry. Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, cluck cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets... This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups! Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Great work, pup! Here's your very own pup pad. A call from Alex. Look, Alex needs our help. Tap on the pup pad to answer. With your pup pad, you can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. Tap on the Alex button to go. We're on a roll. Alex lost his favorite super trike. Can you find it? Other pups can help on this mission. Tap on the paw button to call another pick-a-pup. All right, pup. Time to find Alex's super trike. That's it. It's the super trike. You found it. Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, pup. Alex will be able to zoom around town again. Hey there! Welcome! Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. You got it, pup! Just a little more. Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? Good job, pup! Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Good work, pup! Moto Chase! Welcome to the off-road mountain. Dwayne from the Rough Pack is causing some real trouble, and we need the Paw Patrol to come and put a stop to him. Can you beat him in the mountain race? Hey there! Welcome to You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Choose someone to visit. Welcome to the Wild Canyon. Here we go. Where do you want to go? Welcome to the summer. Here we go. Chase. This looks like it goes in the garbage bin. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol food waste needs to go in the compost bin. Metal belongs in the recycling bin. More pups are waiting to join up and help. Add another two.